Welcome in once again, guys. We're here to feed that Yu-Gi-Oh cardboard addiction, guys. You guys already know. We have Nibiru, the primal being, quarter century secret rare, guys. We're going to be discussing today cards that are surging in price, that are spiking up, getting cleaned out, bought out in the markets. We start with this staple, hand trap of hand traps, guys. The big fat rock here, you know, coming down to, what is this, Earth? I can't even see because this rarity, I'm not even going to get into it, guys. Look at that, parabolic. Look, $40. It says 48s, wrong, 68 bones, 14 listings here. You have a couple of play sets at around 70s essentially. Then it goes to 80s and then eventually gone. 2 pages only. I mean, in the second page, probably his triple digits, guys. Insane, the parabolic move of this card. Look at that. Look at that. It says 40s. It says 50s, but really, we're right here. We're right here, guys. 68s, we're like right at that point right there, almost at the previous highs. Almost at the previous yearly highs, guys. Insane, the spike going on for this card, for this rarity. People coming in, they want their rocks, they want their nibs. Nibs has always been, you know, a staple hand trap since inception, guys. And the card is just too good. The card is just too good. I mean, it wins games, essentially. You play it right, you wait for the right time, you pop, it pops off, and it's a wrap. Card is broken. So again, yes, some decks play around it better than others. You know, and things of that nature, but still, man, Nib, telling you, man, Nibiru, yo, hey, I mean, damn, this card came in Rarity Collection Uno, and again, it's quarter century secret rare spiking up, so I would be looking at, you know, to pick up, you know, other versions, you know what I mean? You go back, you type this, for example, you know, because we like to provide deals. You come in for the penny stonks, you come in, you know, over here, and you're like, you don't buy the block of cheese rarity, okay? Don't do that. But look, ultra rares around 2s, that's cheap, man, for a staple hand trap. You know, secret rares at 320s, 340s, that's cheap, man. PUR still around $5. PCRs, that's good. These could be double digits each. I would not be surprised if I wake up and I see Nibirus at $10 for PCRs and PURs. You got platinum secrets under 5s as well. Jay, but this is the platinum secrets from Rarity 1. I don't like those. It's about money, man. This could easily 2x, man. Easily. You can see this is the most scarce out of these 3. You know, all the P's and all the R's. Out of the 3 of them, this is the most scarce one based on listings. So again, be early. Pick up your nibs. These secret rares are too cheap. Guys, if you want to buy these cards, link in the description down below. Come get your watch list right now. Pretty convenient. As you can see, this chart, parabolic, man. All the cards we're talking about put together indicate a trend, an uptrend, surging in price, guys. As you can see there, at your convenience. Make sure you check out the watch list right there, and come get your nibs. Come get your nibs, man, and any cards that you need. We're going to talk about a couple of more cards that you should be buying right now. Yeah, buying right now. That's crazy. That's crazy. Even though with this climate, most of these cards are spiking up. But again, you have alternative versions. If the quarter century is already spiking, let it be. You come in and get the other alternative versions, holographic versions that might spike next. All nibs are under $5. As you can see here, PCR, PURs, prismatic, secrets, platinum secrets. You can't make this stuff up, guys. Be early. We have Nadir Servant quarter century secret rare. As you can see here, the card was 20 bones, spiking up to 30s. Wrong. We have one here that is 36, 26, and then you have 10 at around almost 37 bones, and eventually it gets cleaned out. 1 page only, 8 listings, single digit listings, guys. As you can see, the card is moving on up. Moving on up. Nadir Servant as a quarter century secret, guys, is making moves, making plays. After those 10 is a $40 card, then 50s, then gone. Mr. Clean is back at it. He's coming in and doing his job. He's going to work. Look at your boy right here. This is your boy right here, man. Mr. Clean is coming in and spiking these cards up because that's all he does for a living. That's what he cleans out the markets, guys. So don't let Mr. Clean, excuse me, come in and clean out your cards, you know, before it's too late for you to pick these up. Again, this one's getting kind of late, but the same thing. This comes in Rarity Collection Uno. You go back to the other rarities, all the P's and all the R's, and all the penny stonks, and you're in early because it always starts, for the most part, with the max rarity. People come in, they want the quarter centuries, they want matching rarities in their decks, and this, that, and the third, and then it trickles down to the other versions So don't miss out. Like I just said, guys, link in the description down below. Take advantage at your convenience. A watch list right here. Public watch list, the date, the name, everything, all the cards. You could come in, click right here, check out if you want to buy all of these by some random chat, or you just select the ones you want. You know what I mean? So right there, hey, at your convenience, one click brings you over there. Don't miss out. Again, a card that I would be buying right now with the watch list is Red Eyes Black Full Metal Dragon. We talked about this card when it was cheap, around $3, $4 right here when it was consolidating. We called this one before the parabolic spike into the teens. And then after, you know, we said to sell. When it was in the teens, I sold my copy. But now it's retraced back down to the mean halfway. You can't make this stuff up, man. I'm just passionate about it. You cannot make this stuff up. It's crazy. We've developed a formula, guys. Thanks to the charts, because men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. There's a money printer out here. Told you guys to buy the consolidation before the spike. Too easy, right? Card went parabolic, spiked up. As you can see here, let me see. Look, the highs were actually $15. The height of this card's price was 15 bones. Again, mind you, from 3, 4. That's fine. We reached the high, parabolic top, and look at that. We've retraced back down to the mean. Naturally, people like me taking profits. People that bought down here were like, let's take profits. And the card comes right back down halfway. You cannot make this stuff up, man. You just cannot. There's some fairy tale stuff that mostly works. It's crazy, you know, in a way. Look at that. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to have the curvature and then respike back up. How do I know? Volume. Volume is the indicator. No one's paying attention to this. No one's paying attention to this. You cannot make this stuff up. Volume is coming in. Why? Because we got that new Red Eyes announced, a new Red Eyes card announced recently for with Metamorph support and all that. And look at that. Now we're going to get that curvature, that next leg up, probably a second leg up, back to previous all-time highs eventually. So what do you do now? You click that damn link, the first one in the description down below or in the comment section. Come over here and get your card. You look for it. Where's that Red Eyes? Right here. Look, you click on it right there. And then you do like check out, brings you over here. You hey, add to cart, you good. If you want more of these, it'll list them right there. Add to cart at your convenience, right there. You come over here, or you just click on the card. If you just want to buy that card by itself, brings you right over here to the card and get this card now. Why? Because the card is $6.79. But then after that one, 8 bones. And then after a couple of 1s and 2s and 4s, it's gonna be double digits again, and then it could be 15. Again at the previous highs, and eventually 20 bones, or who knows, maybe beyond. As an ultra rare from Rage of the Abyss, the whole point is you don't want to miss out. Jay, other than the chart and all this great information that you just provided, how do you know that the ultra might go up? Because of its counterpart, the max rarity, quarter century secret rare, Red Eyes Black Full Metal Dragon here, as you can see, was 37s. Chart says it was 71s. That's a 2x. Crazy, right? 94 bones, single digit listings at 9 right there, 1 page only, guys. A lot of 1-ups, then triple digits, then gone to 150s, then gone to 150s. When you see single digit listings, guys, parabolic advance move, again, people coming in for the max rarity. Red Eyes is Red Eyes, man. Just like DM, just like Blue-Eyes. Red Eyes is Red Eyes. Excuse me, guys, a little bit of H2O. You need to understand that this card is a Red Eyes card, and there's a lot of hype around it, man. Getting support, Metamorph support, you know, working with Red Eyes. Look, Max Metamorph. You know, it started with Rage of the Abyss. It'll continue probably in Supreme Darkness. So again, you want to make sure you get access to these cards, man. Look at that, spiking up. Don't let this be triple digits before you dig in. This one was one that I saw. Herald. Which one? Of the Arc. Where is it? Quarter century as well, making moves. Look at that. Card was 10 bones, spiking up to 13s. And look, you have a couple of 1-ups and 2-ups, and then the card is almost $18 at the bottom of the page. 3 pages only, 24 listings. So look at that. Consistent high volume coming in compared to other candles, guys. You can see the card is about to go parabolic. Don't let this card be 20s, 25 bones. I have a 1-up. At this point, I'm waiting for 20s. I got mine at single digits for my Sprite deck when I was playing the Malfi package. So, I mean, at 20s at least, but hopefully 25s Run for them hills. Again, same deal. This one came in Rarity Collection Uno. These quarter centuries are going up. That's good. You pick up the cheaper versions that haven't gone up yet, that eventually throughout time, if people need the max rarity quarter century, people that can't afford these are going to go for the next best thing, the Platinum Secrets. They're going to go for the PURs and PCRs and all the Ps and all the Rs. So make sure you keep this one in mind as it continues to spike up, guys. And we have Red Eyes Black Meteor Dragon from the tins, guys. Look at that. Card was $150, spiking up to 4s. You're seeing volume coming back in thanks to the Red Eyes announcement. Right now, you see a 12 wall, 434. So the walls are at 4 and some change, right? These walls can get gobbled down quickly. Don't let this be 5 bones in the short term, then 750s, and potentially one day even double digits. For the Prismatic Secret 10 Red Eyes Black Meteor Dragon. Beautiful card, by the way. This is free money. Easy, free money, guys. Giving you an opportunity to buy this right now. Click the link in the description down below. Go to that damn watch list and buy this card right now. That's what I'd be doing. You know what I mean? We have Red Eyes Insight. Quarter Century Secret Rare from Bonanza. Right here's a $10 card. Going from 4 bones. Parabolic is at 655s. Wrong. Chart hasn't even updated. 14 listings. 1-ofs. You have 7s here at 12s, which were the price of commons. That's why we talked about this card at $4 or $5. We said it's too cheap. It's too cheap. Why? Because people were paying 12 bones for a common. What do you think people will be willing to pay for its max rarity quarter century secret rare? And then the true walls are at like 13s. 15 bones at the bottom of the page, 2 pages only. Guys, this card could easily be 15 to 20 bones, especially now with the Red Eyes announcement. Red Eyes support. Guys, you come in here to Bonanza, you pick the other versions. If this one's getting too expensive, I mean, it's still 10 bones. Yes, you're paying a 2x premium, but it's not that expensive compared to 15, 20, 25s and down the road. So if you want this specific rarity, you got your last chance right here. A couple of more before it starts getting ridiculous, you know, towards 13s, the teens, 15s, double digits, and things of that nature. We have Blue Eyes Spirit Dragon. Guys, the Blue Eyes hype is ramping up as we go towards the middle of this month, because people know that in just a month, about a month from now, people are going to be having Blue Eyes running rampant. So Blue Eyes Spirit Dragon, again, has continued going parabolic, was 30s, went up to 48s, and now it's, you got a 1-of at 56, but really, it's 65, another 1-of? What? If you want multiples, you need to pay $100 for 2 and a play set for 120? Shee. Single-digit listings at 8. The insane part is that we talked about this card at $6. That's the crazy part. At $6. This is getting ridiculous, boys. $6. $6. That's crazy. I mean, I sold all my copies, you know, now looking back early, because again, we don't always sell the top. Sometimes we sell early. Sometimes we Billy Bob. You know, we call it how it is. Integrity and transparency at its finest. I was also one saying when the card was $30, $35 that you could sell, that you could take profits. And it was right in the sense that if you got in at $6 to $10 and you take your 3.5x, 4x, you run for them hills, that's also fine because you profited. Now looking back, you know, hindsight is 2020. Shit. I mean, you know, I was telling people to sell too early, but at the end of the day, if I tell someone to sell too early, at least you're selling at a profit. What we can never do is tell someone to sell at a loss, in essence, like condone that. Like, oh, okay, you bought one at $5, you know, went down to $1, sell it, man. That'll be best for you. This will be, no. Probably it's best to hold it or just play at that point. But sometimes you have to cut your losses. But that's a conversation for another day. The whole point is, guys, Blue Eyes Spirit Dragon is making moves. If you still own this card, you need to sell it. Jay, you telling me to sell it again? Hey, I mean, me, if I have this card, wait for triple digits. Insane. It's crazy. People need multiples. People need multiples, guys. I don't know what else to say. So again, in this case, I'm going to search it up. By the way, this is from the Forgotten Rarity Collection. Rarity Collection 2. The one that we covered like 2 weeks ago, telling you guys to come back. There's too many amazing deals. The next best thing is the Platinum Secret. The next best thing is the Platinum Secrets. PCRs, we covered that going to 3s. PURs, we covered that making moves as well. Where is it? PUR right here. This is too cheap. $1 and some change? Shit. So guys, look at that. This card, you buy it. Now, you come over here, You find it right here, and then you look for the other version. You buy it because this thing could be $20 soon. Literally, all you see is one-ofs. People that buy one, they're gonna want a playset. They're gonna probably want matching rarities. So pick it up. Pick it up. PUR. Look at that. You have one at $1, but 13 listings on this thing is going power. There's gonna be money, man. It's too easy. The game is too easy. Oh man, I closed the secret rare. Look at that. Parabolic. We just covered it the other day. You have one at $250. Officially $5. Yo. That is wild, man. Insane what's going on with Spirit Dragon. Just surging up in price. Let me see. Where's that secret rare? Look at that. Secrets went up, hovering around here. But after these Euros sell, it could easily be 3 to 5s down the line. Pick up whatever version you need of this card. Then we have the Bestial Lubellion, quarter century secret rare from Battles of Legend Monsters Revenge. Card was what, $250s? Single digi listings at 9. You have one at 325s, a couple here, and then it goes at 350s. And at the bottom of the page towards 400. Why are we getting Pokemon cards down here, man? That's crazy. By the way, what's going on with Pokemon right now? It's insane. Those markets are exploding, man. I'm a casual Pokemon collector, and my cards are worth, like, each card I had worth 5, 10x. Insane what's going on with Pokemon. It's great to be an investor over there. Pokemon Market Watch is coming soon. Nah. Yo, guys, so look, almost $400 at the bottom of the page. Single digit listings. So, yeah. Hey, shit. Lubelli's at almost 400. Excuse me, guys. Wow. What's going on with that card? I mean, hey. And I still think reprints coming for that card in Stampede. We'll see. We have Clockwork Knight, quarter century secret rare. Again, we saw that Clockwork link get announced. Again, who cares if it's going to be good or not? People speculating. Card quarter century going from 5s to 750s, right? Wrong. 16 listings right here. 10 bones. You got one, but then it's 13s. All these are one-ups. The walls are at 15s. Walls are at 15s, guys. As you can see here, insane. 3xing in price essentially overnight after the announcement of that link. Woo, man. But same deal. This one has other printings, other versions that probably no one is paying attention to. Again, people are going to be coming in for the next best thing. Platinum Secrets. Look, cheap secrets. You come over here and you get them, man. Look at that. Cheap secrets at under 2/4 a pop. PCRs at shekels. PURs at shekels. Pick up this card. The hype can continue on. Look at that. Look at that. Getting floored. No one's paying attention to this card right now. This could easily be $5 down the line. Easy money. Don't miss out. We have Bujinki, Amaterasu, Ghost Rare from Primal Origin. This card was what? It says the card was 24 bones, 38s. 5 listings only right here. You got a couple of one-ups, and then the card is gone to ridiculous prices. 1 page only for first ed Amaterasu here. Ghost Rare. Wow. Card is beautiful. It has always been these Ghost Rares. They're hard to find near mint because of scratches. Yeah. So this card, if you have it, you got money that you probably didn't know for this Ghost Rare. Definitely keep it in mind. We have Triple Tactics Talent. Quarter century secret rare. Spiked up from 52s to City 2s. And now it's at 72s. And then it's 80s 2s. And then 92s. And then triple digits, guys. 1 page. 9 listings, guys. Look at these one-ups. Playset is now officially at 75 bones. After that, no playsets in the market. Gone. Cleaned out by your boy. Your boy coming in and getting this mid-max rarity. Because, I mean, what, Pharaoh's Rare? Is that higher than this? But it does have a Starlight as well. What is the Starlight doing, man? You know, because people paying 75 for these already. What is the Starlight Rare doing? 250s? Dang. Oh, it's expensive. But, I mean, it used to be, man, in excess, what, like 500? Let me see. Can I check this here real quick? Let's go to the yearly. We need charts for 2 years, man. Over 2 years. Come on now, TCG player. But it says 400. But, yeah, this card at one point was $500-600. What else can I say, man? What else can I say for that staple, man? Mausoleum of White. Blue-Eyes hype is here, guys. Blue-Eyes hype is officially here. Officially here. So in the next month is the best time to sell most Blue-Eyes cards. Blue-Eyes Jet, this card, Spirits that you've been accumulating. The next month is it. The last chance to pick up some of these, like Spirit Dragons, the cheaper ones we showed you guys, is now. Right now, today. You know, but in a week, 2 weeks, it's going to be too late, man. That's when we want to be selling most of these cards. And look, Mausoleum of White, max rarity was what? 285s, 3 bones, spiking up to 535s, right? Wrong. 4 listings only. Single digit listings right here. 8 bones, you have a play set. Then the card is officially $10, double digits at post-tax, and then gone. 1 page only. Guys, this is the clear definition of Mr. Clean going to work. Going to work. Blue-Eyes hype, man. So again, your true lights, pick them up. Blue-Eyes Tyrants, damn, those walls are getting gobbled up. Again, any and all cards that Blue-Eyes players might be playing post structure deck, sorry, you want to be picking it up. Again, could this card get reprinted? Sure, we just don't know. It's from Legendary Collection Kaiba. It's max rarity version, and Blue-Eyes players don't play. They want their shiny cardboard. They want their deck to look pristine, mint, crisp, fresh off the press, just like the channel. And here we are. We have Dogmatika Maximus. Rise of the Duelist. Card going up, says 22s, but really 30 bones. 10 listings only, guys. Barely holding on to double-digit listings. And you have a couple of listings here in the low 30s, but then it goes immediately to the mid 30s. And at the bottom of the page, $40 for this card. Sure, if you click here, you see you have a ultra rare around 4s. We're going to check that version here real quick, but spiking up for the secret rare max rarity. Chart hasn't even been able to keep up. This card is making moves, making waves. And then we have, of course, a massive wall of China here of over 1,000 copies for the ultra rare. We just don't know if this card is getting reprinted, in Stampede or anywhere else. So right now, with only 2 prints, people need it. Look at that. Card was 286s. Let's say 3 bones, right? Uptrend here, higher lows and higher highs. And then you see at 430, 16 listings only, though. After that wall of China, it goes to 650s and then 8 bones at the bottom of the page. So the demand is coming in. Volume, guys, consistent daily volume, as you can see here. Buying this card up, don't be too late. Then we have Soul Drain from Return of the Duelist. I'm like, what in the world? I guess against Orcus, probably the Orcus play. We need this to get reprinted, Konami. It's about time that Soul Drain gets the Stampede treatment. We already got Scale Drain in there. Now we need Soul Drain, man. We need Soul Drain and Stampede, because this is getting ridiculous. The rare was 2 bones. Orcus support, people going crazy, bumping up to 382, 4 bones, but really gone. Mr. Clean is back at it. 2 listings only, as we can see here, guys. And 2 listings right there. Cleaned out. You got 2 at 12s, 1 at 12 cities, gone. Gone. Volume came in and cleaned out this rare. Guys, bought out. But wait, there's a high rarity. Astro Pack 4. Max rarity, super rare. Card was 5 bones, spiking up to 7s, 14s. 6 listings only. Don't buy the rare. Don't be a Billy Bob and buy the rare. You come in and pay an extra $1 or $2, and you got the max rarity, $14 right there, as you can see. And and then it quickly goes to 20s and then gone. Gone, guys. Card is too broken. Card is broken. I understand. Damn, bro. Wow, you even have the Lost Star. I forgot about that one. Look at that. Card was 780 somethings, went up to 11s, but the card is 15s. So again, actually, this is the one I'd be buying. This is the max rarity version. At 15s, before his 20s and beyond, this is getting ridiculous. 2 pages only, just insane, man. This needs a reprint soon. It just does in Stampede. Then we have Spellbound from Darkwing Blast. Someone mentioned it in Friday's live stream. I forgot to talk about it. And I'm like, yo, I had no clue that this card was doing this. Volume came in. Massive 3-month highest volume candle came in late December, last year. And as we can see, the card going from 2 bones, it says 4s, but really you have 1 at 7s, and the RO9 is at 10 bones, guys. 15 listings, guys. After that, quickly goes to 15s and beyond. So if you have Spellbounds, you have money. You have money. Secret Rare is making moves, is making plays, is spiking up, is surging in price. Guys, I mean, if you want to take advantage of maybe this deal right here before it goes crazy, don't forget about the ultra rare as well. I'd be buying these right now because no one's paying attention to these. Oh, Jay, there's a massive wall of China. We have time. Guys, highest volume candle in the last 3 months, as you can see here. And actually, we had one of the largest volume candles in the past year. Look at that. Second best, second largest, second huge candle coming in on the yearly chart. These are the signs. I don't know how else to say it. You come in here near the lows and you buy. This is a buy signal, man. It's literally called that. It's called the buy signals. You're down here in the consolidation phase. You see this massive volume spike. That's a sign. I don't know how else to say it. That is a clear sign of what? Of curvature and then spiking up in price. And then people come here and they start whining. Oh man, I didn't this. I didn't know. Let that for Billy Bob's. You know now. You come over here and you buy this wall of China. Where's the wall of China? At 39 cents. Get exposure. Because after that wall, the card could be a Billy. Easy. Especially with the secret rare hype that you guys just saw. A card that only has 2 prints. They're both holographics. Don't let this be a Billy and beyond. Don't do that. The card was $1, $2 at one point. Don't let it go back up there. You buy at shekels. You're early. Please do yourself a favor, okay? Guys, link in the description down below. Come over here. Look at this thing, man. This is my link tree. Man, whose link tree is it gonna be? Nah, I'm messing with you. Hey, guys, Discord, over 700 people. Don't miss out. Join the movement. Join the Fresh family. Make sure you check out our links, tools, and resources. You guys won't regret it, guys. None of this content is official financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. If you're listening to my voice, don't forget, we're giving away a first edition Starlight Rare Ultimate Slayer on the channel at 7.5K. We've officially cracked 7.2. Now only 300 more Billy Bobs, and we're going to do this. So if you're an OG, double check, ring that bell, subscribe. It really helps out. You want to participate in our first edition Pote Starlight Rare Ultimate Slayer. Don't miss out, guys. And also like the video on the way in. Subscribe on the way in. It really does help. I would gladly appreciate it. And as always, man, like we just said and like we always say, this is not official financial advice, guys. This is just so you guys can get entertained with your boy. You know what I mean? This is what I do. Y'all do with your money as you please. But if you're going to buy any cards, make sure you go over here, man. Link in the description down below. We have Diabell Star the Black Witch, Platinum Secret Rare, Quarter Century, from Quarter Century Bonanza. Right here, card was 5 bones. No one cared about it. Platinum Secret. Jay, who cares? We have a bunch of different rarities and options now, and the card is 850s. And you have one-ofs all the way to double digits and beyond. 2 pages only, 16 listings. We've been telling you guys to pick up this damn card. Any version, Ultras, Supers, PURs, PCRs, all the P's and all the R. Just pick them up. Pick them up. Quarter Century Spike first. I said I would be selling that at 200, 250, like crazy prices. I'd be selling that. That's just me, and buying these cheaper versions and then watch those go up and then resell these to Billy Bob's at higher prices. The game is too easy. This is going to be a double-digit card sooner rather than later. Don't forget about this card. I'm telling y'all. We have Called by the Grave, Quarter Century Secret, Mega Move, Making Waves. Card was 52s, and you do have one at 48s. But then it's mid-50s right there. And the point is, at the bottom of the page is at 60 bones. Yes, Jay, there's one-ofs, and all we need is one. Yes, but again, some people might have multiple decks, guys. Some people might want one for one deck and another for another. They want the matching rarities. Don't sleep on this card. It could easily be, as a one-of, a $70 to $75 card. Insane for Called by the Grave. We have Artifact Lancia, guys. This one continues. It says 561, but we're still around 8 bones. But quickly after a couple of 1s and 2-ofs, we're at double digits, and then $15 at the bottom of the page. 1 page only, single digit listings at 9. This card continues going parabolic. People need their Lancias, and Malice ain't going anywhere no time soon. It'll just continue getting better as more core sets come out. I don't know what else to say or how to say it, guys, but this is getting ridiculous. I think I have these because I bought these for myself, and I bought it at shekels. Literally bought this at shekels. This is wild. Just came in. I'm like, if I play Lancia, I want PURs, so let me buy them at shekels. When we were talking about this card, and it's crazy that this card, for me, it's already at a 10x, but it could continue going up, man, and give me a 20x if it reaches 15 bones at the bottom of the page. Wild. And there's not even that many left. Insane what's going on. Single digit listings with this card, Artifact Lancia. Again, PCRs, PURs, all of these are going up. First it was the Quarter Centuries, but again, like we always say, once those get hard to get, people come back for the next best things, the next best rarities, and here we are. Same as Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit. This one, look at that. Card was $150 You wake up, now is around 350, almost, you know, at around 3s, only 2 here at 314s. These are just deals. The card is 4s, and a lot of 1s and 2s towards 5 bones and beyond. 4 pages only, 32 listings. Again, if you need your Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit PURs, I mean, I'd be taking advantage of these deals right now, because this could be $5 in the short term, 750s in the midterm, and even double digits one day in the long term for iconic hand traps, staples, guys, from the Forgotten Rarity Collection set, Rarity Collection 2. Don't do that. Don't be late. Be early. And we have Priestess of the Ashen City, or Ashen, and man, from Phantom Nightmare, this ultra rare was 350s, and now 550s. Right there. You have a couple of one-ups deals here, as always, but the walls are at 561s, and after that, 14 mini wall of China, it reaches 7 to 8 bones at the bottom of the page. 3 pages only, 25 listings. This card can reclaim, possibly in the future, its double-digit priced, range status. It could become $10 and beyond. It could, as an ultra rare from Phantom Nightmare. Who knows if and when this will get reprinted. So if it doesn't get reprinted soon, I expect potentially double digits for this one. We're already halfway, and eventually getting the 8s is easy. And after that, you're just a corner away from reaching the prices. Then we have Diesel Blaster, the Negation Fortress. Quarter Century Secret was 13, spiked up to 20s. We last covered it. And you have a one-of here at what? That's 24 with shipping, so it's around 25 bones. But after a couple of one-ofs, the card goes to 45 to 50s, guys. So it's getting insane here, out here. I mean, if we clean this up janitor style, we can see that 8 listings only and 50 bones at the bottom of the page. It didn't clean it up right there. There we go. So again, right, hey, load up. There we go, 7 listings and 50 bones at the bottom of the page. Of course, a couple of play sets between 40 and 45 bones, but this is from the Infinite Forbidden, this quarter century. Hitting hard again. Man, when you see it, like, real quickly, it seems like a starlight, because it's bright. I don't know. This is a good picture. Yeah, this card is making moves, making waves. Then we have Ghost Bell Haunted Mansion. We were talking about this one in last week's live stream as well. And, the card was 20s, went up to 32s. And then you have a one up there in a place. But after that is 40 bones. And at the bottom of the page, mid-40s at 45s, 2 pages only, 20 listings. This card could easily be a $50 card. Easy. So, again, if you need it, you come in now at mid-30s. Take advantage of this deal right here. You pay shipping once. The other ones don't pay shipping. This is good right here. A playset, because after that, the next playset is 43s. And, and then it keeps going on up. So don't be late for this one. We have Sky Striker Mecha, Widow Anchor, one that I think should get reprinted in Stampede. But we'll see what happens. As we can see here, this card is 18 bones plus right here from 8 bones to 20s. You had a couple of, a little retracing back down to the mean with like 5 copies here. But then after that, it goes towards mid-20s and then 50 bones at the bottom of the page. 1 page only, single-digit listings at 7. So, guys, you need to understand. You need to understand that Sky Striker hype is here. You sell into the hype. If I'd have this card, I'd wait for these 1s and 2s to clear out, and I would be selling, up here. Wait to see if the hype truly buys this one out so that you can sell at 40 bones and higher. Again, we need to be careful of being too greedy, just in case a reprint is announced and things of that nature. But entry price matters. If you came in at single digits and you sell at 25s, that is not bad. That is just a sure profit. You're not gambling. You're not risking it. You're not being greedy. You're just running for them hills. So not bad for this card. Sell to Sky Striker Billy Bob's, man. We have Orcus Symbol Skeleton. This rare, we talked about it like a week ago, and now we're showing it again. It says 430s, but really, you have a 6 wall there at 5s. But then after that, quickly goes to 6s and $10 at the bottom of the page. 2 pages only, 12 listings. The Orcus hype continues. These cards continue to go parabolic. Insane. Crazy thing is that you have the actual holographic, the super rare OTS card from 650s. Guys, you have a couple of one-ups, then the card is double digits immediately. Crazy. And then $15 at the bottom of the page. If you need these cards, don't sleep on them, man. Orcus hype is real, man. We have Gaudy of the Deep Beyond from Power of the Elements. Card was at 389, spike up to 742s. And here, 23 listings. You got a couple of 1s and 2s, and then the card eventually is double digits. Just one on the rise that I wanted you guys to keep in mind. Then we have Ancient Chant, one that used to be $150 when we were penny stonking, talking about this from when Maze and Millennia came out. Now the set is about to be a year old, and now the card has never looked back, just always been going up, parabolic to almost $7 a pop. Of course, you're getting a retracement back down to the mean. You know, if you need this card, unless it gets reprinted anytime soon, this $5 card could eventually be 10 bones. I'm telling y'all, man, at the bottom of the page is already 7s, and there's a play set here, but after that, it's just a couple of 1-ofs and 2-ofs, and it's just hard to get this one, man. So we called it back then a year ago, and it's panning out. So this card is making moves towards the upside. We have number 9, Dyson Sphere, ultimate rare from Abyss. Rising card was what, 688? It says it's 1175s, but really 8 listings only, and the card is 10 bones. 10 bones. You know, so definitely keep it in mind. You have a wall of China right here, with shipping is 15s though, and then it goes to 40s at the bottom of the page. 1 page only, 8 listings. Again, this card is making moves, making waves as an ultimate rare. First edition from Abyss. Rising, not bad to get exposure now. At 10 bones, this card is hard to get. Look at that. Sage right here. Sage's Shop. Hey, it's crazy, man. 10 bones is cheap. It is. For an OT first edition, number 9 number card. Telling you, man, free money. Abyss Shrine, the Atlantean Spirit. We were telling you guys to buy this card at what? 350s? Probably even a little bit lower. Look at that. This W-shaped recovery right here has never looked back since we talked about this card. The card is now officially 5 bones, and it can continue going up. I'm telling you, man. Mermail hype, excuse me, with new support in Supreme Darkness. Again, secret rare right here from Rhoda, from Rage of the Abyss. Don't matter. Mermails are going to get better or not, if they're going to be good or not. Hype alone in the next week or two can push this card up to 750s, maybe even double digits in the very short term. And then you guys know we have to end it with a block of cheese card. Insane. This card was 339s, set is 981s, and here we are, guys, spiking up 11 listings. You have a couple of 1-ofs, and then the next place that it is at 15 bones, then 20s at the bottom of the page. Wild for this card. Let me see. View all versions. I mean, honestly, damn. Supers are 20s. That's why. That's why people are like, you know what? I just need access to the card, Jay. 15s, but really it's $20 for the super rare Parlor Dragon Maid from Mystic Fighters on first at OG. And then 27s, then 30s, then gone, guys. 1 page. Guys, you know Mr. Clean had to finish with a bang. This card is getting bought out, cleaned out, just continues to surge in price. Let me know what you guys think about all these buyouts, guys. Guys, what an episode today, man. If you made it this far out into the video, you guys are honestly just straight MVPs. I really appreciate for you guys continuing to find value. Make sure you check the links in the description down below. Hopefully you guys continue to appreciate the watch list. And I appreciate for everything you guys do. Make sure you're subscribed, double check, ring that bell so you can participate in our Ultimate Slayer giveaway. First edition. Starlight Rare, guys. Don't miss out. It's ready to ship. I'm just waiting for 7.5K. Hopefully that's around the corner. Share this video in one place, maybe with one friend, maybe in a group chat. It really does go a long way. Subscribe on the way out, ring that bell, like the video on the way out. I'd gladly appreciate it. Guys, thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention. Stay fresh.